Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
The Securities and Exchange Commission will set up 2 new offices and add them to its Division of Corporation Finance's Disclosure Review Programme. One of the offices will deal with crypto filings and disclosures from digital asset service providers. Oil prices fell with the global fuel demand outlook overshadowed by COVID-19 restrictions in China and the potential for further interest rate hikes. Asian and European markets rallied, building on the momentum of gains in the United States and elsewhere at the end of last week, as investors price in the expectation of further interest rate hikes aimed at taming inflation. The dollar-yen pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.1%. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the pound rise 0.5% against the dollar. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair rose 2.2% in the last session, after gaining as much as 2.8% during the session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The gold gained 0.3% against the dollar in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Eurozone's ZEW survey, Economic Sentiment, will be released at 0900 hours GMT. The UK's ILO unemployment rate at 0600 hours GMT. The US Consumer Price Index Core at 12:30 GMT. The UK's claimant count change will be released at 0600 hours GMT. The US Consumer Price Index at 12:30 GMT. Japan's machinery orders at 23:50 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.